Hi, the story you are about to hear is about a little girl who learns there are some places you should not put a popsicle. My name is Nicole, and I'm going to tell you about one of my first science experiments. Hallelujah. Amen. Okay, kids, let's go say goodbye so we can get out of here into the store. Okay, Grandma. Bye, Reverend Turner. Okay, now let's get in the car so we can get out of this heat to the store and back in time for the program. I'm going to sit in the front. No, I'm going to sit in the front of the car. Cousin argued, get in the car or you couldn't get left here. I said, Grandma, can you turn on the air this time? No, roll that window down and keep your hands in it this time. Okay. It was so hot outside, we were stuck to our seats by the time we made it to the store. As Grandma locked the door, she looked down at us and she said, don't ask for anything, don't touch anything, and most importantly, stay where I can see you. Okay, Grandma, we said. As Grandma walked through the store and put her supplies in the basket, we did what she said. We didn't touch anything, we didn't ask for anything, and we stayed where she could see us. When she was done getting her supplies, she told us that we were so good she was going to buy us popsicles. We were so excited, but we stayed really quiet as we approached the freezer section. Church was quiet. After she paid her bill, when we made it back to the car, she said, we're going to eat our popsicles in the car right now. We couldn't believe her. We couldn't believe our ears. She was going to let us eat in the car. So she rolled down the windows and passed out the popsicles. Now, up until now, the little girl had been very quiet, but she wanted Grandma to know that she would like to have the purple popsicle. So she said, Grandma, can I have a purple popsicle, please? Since she had been on her best behavior, Grandma gave her just what she asked for, the purple popsicle. Everyone was eating on popsicles and having fun. And before she knew it, it was time to go back to church. But everyone else was done with their popsicle except for her. What's she gonna do? She wanted to eat it. She decided that she would save it for later, so she put it in her purse. She forgot all about that popsicle as the program progressed. She was singing and clapping. I owe all my worship to you. When church was out, she was so excited because she could remember the popsicle. The cousins were arguing about where they were going to sit again, but not her. She was thinking about finishing that popsicle. As she got in the car, she sat in the same seat that she was in earlier. She opened her purse, and the popsicle wasn't there. Where is the popsicle? She asked herself. She said, I cannot overreact. It has to be here somewhere. So she looked in her purse again, and all she saw was a popsicle stick, and that all of her treasures were purple. In the end, the little girl learned that there are some places you should not put a popsicle. And most importantly, you should eat your popsicle before going back to church. Thank you for listening to one of my favorite memories about my grandma. The